The cookies are done. They're beeping, so I'm about to take them out of the oven. And I had a little peek, and they're looking pretty good. Oh, yum. I hope they taste good. So, I don't know how you like your cookies, but I like mine a little bit crispy. Do you see these? They turned out great. So they're a little bit golden brown. I don't know if the lighting, can you see? Da 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 da. They look really good. So I think they turned out pretty good. They look nice. Hopefully they taste good. So, oh man, I'm so excited to eat these. I'd love to take a poll. How do you like your cookies? Because my wife and I get in arguments over this, over what the best way to eat a cookie is. Should it be crispy or like almost underbaked and gooey? What do you think? This one's probably like my ideal cookie because it's just a little bit crispy. Here, let's turn. Is that better? Oh yeah, that's better. It's a little bit like golden brown around the edge, but then I'm pretty sure the middle is gonna be tasty and gooey. So I'm gonna get my little mini spatula thing. This thing, it's interesting how a little kitchen device such as this can spark so much joy in my life, but it does. This thing has been with me through so much, through so many trays of brownies. And now, oh, these look so good. So I'm gonna let them cool a little bit before I taste them because they're just gonna taste so much better. But without even eating them, I know that they are a hit. I'll share the recipe in the comments below, but I'm thrilled about this. And unfortunately, I can't share them with any of you because we need to socially distance ourselves, right? Well, then I guess I'm just going to have to eat all of them by myself. But pretty thrilled about this. Just made up my own recipe and things are looking good, people. Well, I hope you have a good day. I'm going to eat all of these cookies. Bye.